Hi all. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything. I do think daily that I should post something and I either get busy or I forget, and you know, life happens. But today I wanted to hop on here and show you these crystal Easter eggs that I made from crystals and from old jewelry. This is made from old jewelry that I've had, and this one happens to be my very favorite. I just think it turned out so beautifully. It's completely covered. Sorry about my squeaky chair. And these are made from crystals, and they are also completely covered. In fact, I got into the little crevices that you can see and cut up an old necklace so that you couldn't see the white of the egg that I left behind. These are also completely covered. What do you think? I'm showing them to you because I think there's still time for you to go out, get some crystals, or tear up some of your jewelry that you no longer wear and make some in time for Easter. I love the way they turned out. They're so sparkly and shiny. Even though I'm not a sparkly and shiny person, I'm not into bling for home decor, but I just love the way these turned out. My next video will be a video demonstrating how I created these so that you can somehow be inspired to do the same thing. Thank you again for dropping in. Let me know which egg you like. Like I said, this one in the middle is my favorite, but I do love all of them. Please like, comment, subscribe, because I really truly hope that I will start up again and be consistent. Something I need to do. Share this video as well. Thank you once again. Bye.